Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our snowboarding game. In this video we're going to adding up our character. So all we'd like to first of all do is see that it's a circle, and instead of ball let's name it into Ronnie. Yes, this will be our character. So if we delete this, yes, we had to delete it because there in perspective it was a circle. Also, let the collider stay for a while. So next, let's open up our. Okay, so now let's add this up into Ronnie. Still be like its child. So when we zoom in, it's in here. Where's our Ronnie? When we move Ronnie, so guys look, when we move Ronnie, now where's the moving? When we move Ronnie, the child is also moving, like the front part. So all we'd like to do is like bring it around over here. Yes, somewhere around, like, yeah, now they're connected. Okay, so guys, let me find the in the next lecture we're going to be adding the bottom part, but for now I'd also like to delete this circle collider. Yeah, we just got a parent, only with Rigidbody. So okay guys, this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.